Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stack Ethereum on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download you would like to go and create your account, not download it, because I already said that, right? So just go and create your account, of course, by just clicking and getting started. So if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So after I am coming here, as you can see, that will be actually my home or my main screen on Coinbase application. Of course, you can just go and like check this application if you want to know more about it. So let's just go back to the idea of the video. So how to stack Ethereum on Coinbase. So all you need to do, just go to the Ethereum assets page first of all. So let's just go here. I already have it on my watch list. Of course, if you don't have it here, just go search for it in trade or even in assets if you do have it. So let me just go here and click at Ethereum, and from here on, if you of course have the application, you will need to click at first of all, you would like to scroll down, and as you can see here, you will have like a lot of what is it, informations about the Ethereum app, crypto. Of course, if you scroll down, you'll find several informations, and as you can see, I don't have any like option of stacking right here, right? So if I scroll down, I'll find just the news, and as you can see, yeah, no stacking, unfortunately. So if you are signed in and eligible, of course, if you can see eligibility requirements above, so right here, that means your account is good to start. You can actually you'll be able to convert your Ethereum to the Ethereum 2 and then start stacking. But if you're like me, for me, I'm using a simulator, that's why I cannot use the application properly. But all you need to do, just go, of course, go looking for Ethereum 2, click on that. Of course, you would like to, as you can see, trading not yet available, because for me, I mean just using it on a simulator. But for you, if you have the eligibility to do that, just convert your Ethereum to Ethereum 2, because you cannot stack Ethereum. You can stack just Ethereum 2 on Coinbase application. So after actually converting, you would like to or you'll be able to start stacking the Ethereum. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.